Some mornings you don't wait for the dock. You want the water right there, off the back of the boat. That's the Fly 62. Azimut builds in Italy, and they build for people who don't like to wait around. The lines lean forward, low and clean, closer to a car than a cruiser. The Fly 62 puts the cockpit right at the waterline, the seat a step away instead of a climb down. Twin engines give you real power in reserve. Push it, and the hull settles onto plane fast, wake flattening out behind you. Ease back and you're cruising easy, covering real distance without burning the whole afternoon. Trim holds itself steady the whole way, so you're not fighting the wheel through a chop. Transom lowers. Sofa opens out toward the stern. You're sitting right at the water's edge, feet in it if you want. No swim platform in between, no ladder to climb. Sandbar stop with the transom down and the whole crew in the water by 9. Foredeck up front for the 2 of you at sunset, drinks in hand, engines off. Flybridge overhead when you want the full horizon instead of just the one in front of you. Room enough up there for everyone to spread out. And that trim system keeps working the whole time, so the ride stays flat when the water doesn't. Below deck, 3 cabins wait for the nights you don't want to leave, 3 heads so nobody's negotiating a schedule. It's a real base camp for a real trip, not just a day boat pretending to be one. But the Fly 62 isn't a boat you admire from the dock. It's a boat you're already off of, feet in the water, before the marina wakes up. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.